Writing style engaging. Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what makes the humble egg one of the most versatile ingredients in the kitchen? Let's crack into some science and find out. Today I'm going to walk you through a few experiments you can do right in your own kitchen to explore the fascinating world of protein coagulation. That's right, we're talking about the magic that happens inside an egg when heat is applied. First up, let's talk custards. When you gently heat eggs mixed with milk, you're actually causing the egg proteins to unfold and then bond with each other, forming a soft, gel-like network. This network traps the liquid, creating that creamy texture we all love in custards. Just remember, too much heat and you'll end up with scrambled eggs instead of smooth custard. Speaking of scrambled eggs, have you ever noticed how the texture changes based on how you cook them? If you cook them slowly and at a lower temperature, the egg proteins coagulate more slowly, resulting in a softer, creamier scramble. Crank up the heat and you'll get a firmer, drier texture. It's all about controlling the heat to control the protein bonds. Now, let's whip up some science with meringues. When you beat egg whites, you're incorporating air, and the proteins start to coagulate around the air bubbles, stabilizing them. Add a little sugar, and you help strengthen these bonds, leading to those stiff peaks that make meringues so delightful. The key here is not to let any yolk get into your whites, as the fats can interfere with the formation of those crucial protein networks. So, there you have it. Whether it's custards, scrambled eggs, or meringues, the secret lies in how the egg proteins coagulate. Each dish is a delicious experiment in controlling temperature and texture through science. I hope you enjoyed this egg-citing exploration into the science behind your breakfast. Now go ahead, experiment with your eggs, and see what culinary wonders you can create. And remember, it's all in the name of science. Stay curious and keep experimenting.